push the stool over and help Mama make a toast?
Do you want to show everyone your new bag?
The crayons inside.
Really?
Hi.
Ta-da! Good morning, everyone. So this is our very colorful breakfast, and this is the breakfast that I eat on a pretty much daily basis. We pretty much just have whole wheat toast and some
Crazy.
peanut butter, and I like to throw in some pumpkin seeds on top of the peanut butter just to give it more protein and more healthy fats. And then we have some berries. What berries do we have today?
Blueberries.
And?
Raspberries.
That's right!
Yes, you can eat.
And then on the sides, we'll have like a fruit like this and sometimes like a yogurt like this as well. So, oh, and coffee! I can't function without coffee. Don't worry, mine's decaf. Cheers.
Cheers.
You want cheers? Cheers.
So many fruit.
Cheers.
Boy.
Ding.
Wow!
Whoa.
Oh, okay, give me a hug.
Ta-da!
We have to brush your teeth. So it's now lunchtime, and I just want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. I just received this week's box, and I actually can't wait to see what's inside, because one thing I love about HelloFresh is how they offer so many different recipes every single week, so you're not stuck eating the same thing all the time. So let's see what we got. So this week I got the cheesy stuffed meatballs, the Portuguese pan chicken, and the Mexican shrimp skillet. I think I'm gonna go with the shrimp for lunch today because it only takes 25 minutes, and that's what you want for lazy days. HelloFresh cuts out the stressful parts of meal planning and prepping, so it's great for those lazy days when you just want a delicious home-cooked meal ready in about 20 to 30 minutes. They're super flexible to fit your lifestyle, so you can add a meal, throw in extra proteins, change the delivery days, and even skip a week whenever you want. HelloFresh's carbon footprint is 25% lower than that of meals made from store-bought groceries, and they're committed to making fresh, delicious food available now more than ever. They've also taken extra steps to keep their employees and customers safe. Go to HelloFresh.com and use my code kerinawang14 to get 14 free meals, including free shipping. This is the finished lunch that we made together. So I think it took like 10 minutes only because there's two of us cooking this. Gotta have your water. That's going so slowly. Oh my god, I had like a bunch of stuff ready in my brain to say, and then once you turn on the camera, it like just evaporated. Let me try it. So good. Do you like it? This is so delicious, you guys. Like, it's both nutritious and it tastes good, and it just fills up my soul with warmth. I'm definitely gonna get this recipe again from HelloFresh another time. I just really love how they have so many different recipes that you can choose from, and they do all the thinking for you, so you don't have to like worry about like meal prepping or planning or anything like that. I'm getting really hangry, so I'm gonna just eat. Oh yeah, so we've made it to 3 p.m. so that means it's snack time. I usually find myself getting really hungry or hangry like 2 to 3 hours after I eat lunch, especially since today's lunch was like mostly protein and veggie focused, so like not too much carbs. So right now I'm just having an apple with a mixture of Greek yogurt and peanut butter. I know you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. Leave me a comment down below if you mix your peanut butter and your Greek yogurts like I do, but once you try it, I promise you will not go back to just either or because they are just delicious. Not to mention super, super healthy and nutritious and easy and quick and great for lazy days. So we've made it to dinner time. I am so hungry right now. So for dinner time, especially when I'm feeling lazy, I just go for like seafood. In this case, we have rainbow trout because it is so fast to cook. All you need to do is salt and pepper. Don't even need to marinate for too long. Put it on the stove for like
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
4 on each side. Yeah.
The chef is here. And then I'll just top it over with some like simple salad, and then we have some whole grain brown rice and quinoa. So on days when I'm feeling a little bit more fancy, I'll go for maybe like chicken, but not like chicken that I made myself. I'll go for like rotisserie chicken. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna dig in right now, but thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what else you wanna watch. And leave me a comment down below. And leave me a comment. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm so oily. Leave me a comment down below. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what is your lazy day food. I give up. Let me know in the comments down below what is your choice of food for lazy days, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!